Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I've posted a video. 6 months to be exact, and that video was titled "This Is Goodbye." If you didn't see that video, it was pretty much me just saying that I was burnt out on making streamer tips and guide videos, and how I needed to take a break for a little bit, and then maybe reevaluate the channel and come back. But a lot has happened in my life between that 6 months and today while I'm filming this video. And I finally decided that I should give you guys an update. I owe you that. An update on me and what's been happening and the future of this channel. So back in February of this year, I got Twitch partnered finally. It was a big goal of mine to achieve, and we actually did it, and I couldn't believe it. I went through something where if you're a Twitch partner, maybe you can relate to this. But once I had achieved Twitch partnership, my mental state was really bad. I was hit with a huge amount of imposter syndrome, not feeling good enough, and I felt really lost. As cliche as that sounds, I just felt really lost. I didn't know what to do because I had hit my goal. Now what do I do? What's my next goal? Because Twitch partner is a tangible goal to achieve, right? Once you hit it, what's next? And then as most Twitch partners go through, my viewership also dropped, and I was really getting into my analytics and picking it piece by piece every day, stream by stream. And my mental health went down the drain, if I'm going to be honest with you. I was not in a good place for a few months. And the last thing I wanted to do was make videos on how to help you guys achieve Twitch partnership or grow as streamers while I was going through my own problems. So then I started working on my mental health and trying to reevaluate what I want to achieve next with content creation, streaming, and YouTube. And so I finally created a new YouTube channel. As you know, I'm a Genshin Impact content creator, and I upload Genshin Impact videos and shorts there. And that YouTube channel actually has taken off for me. So I've been uploading there for the last 6 months. Instead of uploading here, I've been uploading there because it's been taking a lot of my time. And then on top of that, I was reached out by a company that I'm under an NDA I can't talk about. They contract me to make videos for them, which also takes up a lot of my time. And so I just haven't had time or motivation, mostly time, to upload videos to this channel. But I did want to take the time to just update you on what's been happening in my life, and again, the future of this channel. Now, this channel's not going away. I don't plan to delete it at all. The videos that I have posted on this channel, I still feel are relevant and are literally everything that I have done to achieve Twitch partnership and averaging 100+ viewers and making this my career. Literally every video. And that's another reason why I stopped making videos on this channel, was because I feel like I've given you all the information that I know. There's only so many topics that you can cover until you're just repeating yourself. And that's exactly what I was doing. I was repeating myself. If you've never watched any of my videos, or you just want one piece of advice on how to grow as a content creator, here it is. Stream consistently, make friends, make good content for YouTube and TikTok, and hope for the best. I'm being honest with you. Yeah, there's settings that you can make your camera look good, or settings that can make your microphone sound amazing, right? But at the end of the day, engaging with your community, making good content, and just being consistent, that's it. And so I have no more ideas for this channel. I'm being honest with you. I'm actually surprised that other channels can still make videos on Twitch Help, and good for them. I'm not hating. I'm just saying that I don't have any more ideas. I gave you everything I have, everything that I have done to get Twitch partnership. And I really hope that the videos have helped you out. Now, I know I said in my last video that I was going to come back with video game reviews, impressions, and stuff like that. And that was my plan until I started making my gaming channel that goes alongside my streams. And I just didn't realize how much time it would take up. And so the video game impressions and reviews, as of right now, that's not going to be a thing. That is something that I would love to do, but as of right now, it's just not possible. All the videos that you have seen on this channel and on my gaming channel, if you do want to check that out, it's all me. I make the thumbnails, I edit all of them, I do all of it. I don't have an editor that can do it for me while I can work on other things. I'm just one guy. I'm just trying my best to make people's day better and entertain them. And with this channel, I just did my best to, help you guys and teach you what I've learned and what worked for me. And so for the conclusion, I'm not deleting this channel. I don't know when I'm going to be uploading any more content to this specific channel, but I am going to be continuing to upload content to my TikTok, and to my gaming channel, Doro44, which again, if you do want to check out and support there, the link is in the description below. But I know Genshin Impact isn't everyone's cup of tea. Oh, and then another thing that I wanted to mention, the reason why I haven't been responding to any of the comments that I get on my videos for this channel is because I've been getting a lot of hate for some videos. And since I was going through a lot of mental health issues, I actually stopped looking at comments, and it really did help just not having that negativity hit me every day. You know, you can get 100 amazing, lovable comments, right? But then you can get 1 or 2 hateful comments, and those are the ones that stick with you and ruin your day. And I needed to make that decision to just stop responding. So that's why I haven't been responding to your guys' comments, and I'm sorry about that. But I had to do that for me. Anyway, I hope that you and your streams have been awesome and that you've been growing and that my videos on this channel have helped you, even if it's just a little bit or a little something that you didn't know. If they helped one person, then they did their job. But anyway, if you want to catch me live over on Twitch, I stream every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The link is in the description below. And if you want to check out my gaming channel, that link is also in the description. It is just Doro44 on YouTube. But anyway, happy streaming, and I'll catch you later.